Hey guys, I don't think I need, yeah, I do. Okay. Hey guys, we're at Walmart right now, so this is fun. Let me turn the camera around. Let's go get the contact solution. It's over here. Where's that going? We're getting slime supplies. Oh, you can make slime out of fiber too.
Also, it's the celluloid.
Come on, let's go get the, I'm gonna go get the contact solution. Dad, it's over here. Come. This way. This way. This way. This way. Okay. Contact solution. Dun, 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 dun. Which is one the cheapest? Which is one the cheapest? $2 one down there. I only need one. I think I only need one. I'm not paying $3.
Well, you get a better deal. Like $3 a piece. You'll get two for $1. I mean, you'll get an extra whole one for $1. So if you're gonna need it, you might as well get the better deal.
Better deal.
One for $3 or two for $4.
Okay, put this in there. Let's go get the clear glue or regular glue. Clear is better, but where's Mom? Oh. Let's listen to the phone. The glue's over there. I think it's over there on the other side of the store. Follow me. Oh my God, we're finally at the Freak House Walmart. I need to stop real quick and look at the stuff I'm finna get. So, this. Okay, you guys, I have the stuff. Well, I only have one ingredient of stuff, so I gotta go get the other stuff. I can't tell you, it's a surprise. Okay, so I'm gonna be at home after this because I'm gonna skip into the video. So, bye. Dang it, it didn't work. I don't know what. Okay.
Drinks in.
Bye. Hi, you guys. What's up? I'm back, and I've got all of the supplies. Let me show you them. I've got some baking soda, and I'm not telling you what I'm making slime with yet, because that would be spoiling the video. But I got baking soda. That's a hint. I got baking soda. What do you make slime with baking soda with? Okay, so I'm gonna come back to you when I'm at home making slime. So, bye. Okay, hey, what's up, you guys? I'm home with the supplies, and I have literally no idea how to do this, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. Okay. I have some clear, big, long glue, Elmer's clear glue, some dye, I think this is regular dye. I don't even know if you guys can see me. And I have some contact solution. I'm making the regular slime, and I have baking soda. There's people behind me, but I don't really care. Oh my God, my phone just dropped, you guys. Tears to my face. I don't even know if y'all can even see the bowl anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the bowl. Now, I'm going to get some glue. See, it's open. Now, I'm going to pour the glue in the bottle. Actually, I'm just gonna open the whole container of glue because it's way easier. Oh my God, don't you love the little fart sounds the glue makes when you it's making little fart sounds. Don't you love that when it makes that sound? Oh my God, it's getting everywhere. Don't you love when it makes that sound though? Because Oh my god, I need scissors. I need scissors, you guys, so I'm gonna pause the video and go get some scissors. So, okay, guys, I got the scissors. Baking soda. I got baking soda. I got baking soda. Okay, this is so. My neighbors are like literally staring at me. Like my neighbors, they're getting ready to leave somewhere, and they're staring at me like straight up stare. I don't even know if this gonna work. I might have did it wrong. Okay. And now I need solution. This is the solution here. Oh yeah, this is so embarrassing. I'm doing it outside. Everybody looking at me. Solution, regular contact solution. Okay, see. Oops. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all that close look. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see or not, but I put the baking soda in it. I put the contact solution in it. So let me just turn the camera again. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys my starting. Maybe it will work. I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh my god, it's actually working. It's working. Oh no, never mind. It's freaking working, you guys. I think. Oh my god, there's some bees out here. You guys, I might go inside for the rest. I'm so serious, I might. Oh, and you guys, if you can hear a bike, that's my neighbors being annoying. I don't like my neighbors. They're just too. Oh my god, my spoon just broke. You guys, my spoon broke. Yeah, I'm going inside for the rest of this. This is just the. Yeah, I'm going inside. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try to pause the vlog without getting my phone dirty. And I'm going inside, so. Okay, this is a way better home environment. So, not you, my vloggers. Okay, so you guys, I've put the contact solution in, stirred it. You saw that, right? So, just play with it, I guess. Hon? Yes, it is. Let me grab the contact solution. Need a little more. Okay, here we go. I have 2 bottles of these.
The kids smell like outside.
Like 2.
I know, I'm finna get in there now.
Cool.
Yeah.
3 contact solution. Real, not fake. Now it's easier to touch and.
Can I go before you? You gonna clean your tub out? Yeah. It ain't gonna be dirty.
Can you guys be quiet? Huh. Talk a lot, don't they? Okay, guys. It's catastrophe. It's kind of sticky, so I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. I guess that's what it looks like. It's puffy, but if you put it in a container for 2 days and don't take it out, it'll be clear. I put some more contact solution in it. Who's that?
Oh, you here? Yeah.
Well, that's our guess, I guess. That's our guess, I guess. That rhymes. Well,
y'all got anything to drink, man?
you guys, you see, we got the slime here. Hey, you got slime here, and that's all you do for slime. And if you want to add color, I'm going to add color to this. I'm going to get the coloring thing. It's right here, so. Okay, here it is. My bag got glue on it because I was not careful. Okay, here you go. You open it right here. I tried to open it right there. OMG.
Dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do this summer. What's up, Candy? I don't know what I'm gonna do this summer, but I can quick go from baseball. Fuck them like that.
You just let them out there now?
You know, if they kill me at the game, I don't even fucking talk to them. I tell them, oh, I'm $5 not.
Okay. This is yellow. Okay, let me get my other colors. This is blue. This is red. And this is green. So I'm going to be making some blue slime. Yeah, blue. I don't even know how you open this. That's my camera. OMG, how do you open this? Okay, I got it open. Just a tiny drop. Oh my god, it's not drop. It's okay. Because I want it to be like that ocean color slime. Like, I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I want it to be a fishbowl slime. Oh my god. You can hear it. You can hear the slime though. It sounds weird. Oh my god. It's stretchy, but like I can pull on something and make it break. This is how stretchy it is. Okay. I'm gonna add a little more blue to it. Like, I don't like this color blue. I'm gonna add more blue. Okay, here we go. Only a little though, because I'm trying to make fishbowl color slime. Okay, that's a little. Okay. Maybe I'll mess it up. I don't know. Maybe this is already fishbowl slime, but I like it more deeper. Okay, now I think it's coming together. My fishbowl slime. Dun 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 dun. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye. Subscribe, like the video, please. So, bye.